Workflows are used to transition an object through any states it may need to go through. Examples include an asset's lifecycle from planning to retirement, or a task ticket from request to completion. Let's use workflows to add a lifecycle status to the laptop objects. To define a workflow, go to your workspace settings and select Workflows. Click Create to build a new workflow. Give it a sensible name and a description if you like. In this case, we are keeping it general so the workflow can be used for other assets, not just laptops. Next, you need to define the states of your workflows. We will keep it simple and create 4 different states which our assets can go through. These are planned, in stock, assigned, and retired. Next, we can create transitions between states. Click Create Transitions to start building. By defining transitions, you define your process's order. Start by defining the first state to move into and giving the transition a name. Then create all the remaining transitions. Not every workflow is linear. For example, in this workflow, we have set up a circular transition where a laptop can go from in stock to assigned and back again. Once all the workflow states and transitions have been created, it's time to use them on our laptop objects. To do this, we need to go back to the laptop object type and click Manage. Create a new attribute. We will call it Status. Then select the attribute type to be Workflow. In the drop-down, we select the workflow that was just created. Then we save the attribute. A workflow can be used by multiple object types across multiple spaces. An object can also have multiple workflows. For example, a physical asset might have an overall lifecycle workflow and another workflow for whether it is under maintenance or not. Now, if I go to an object, I can see the new attribute, and it lets me select the next workflow state I can move the object into, and we can cycle through the states in order. Now you know how to create workflows to move your different object types through centrally managed states with a logical order.